Yeah, so this is just right on a surface where you bear weight.
My orthotics I got though from you guys really
Uh-huh.
helps a lot.
Okay. Are they ready to be refurbished?
I don't think so. I have another pair, so I kind of go back and forth on them.
Okay.
I could check on my originals, but they're doing okay.
Yeah, because you just got a second pair last time you were here, right?
Right.
Okay.
I think that's been working pretty good.
Good.
Is this caused because I put a lot of weight on my foot there? Is that what it is? Or-
Yes, this is just a spot where you carry a lot of the weight. And the bone under here isn't completely flat and smooth. It's got a little pointed piece on it.
Mhm.
And so that's right where this core is. And so when you put weight on it, you get the skin, boom,
Right.
and then the bone right there.
Right.
Sorry. So
Okay.
if we can get you in more frequently on a regular basis, then we can keep this minimal and not have to talk about doing anything surgically.
Mhm.
Ultimately, if we can't get you comfortable, we could go in and plane down the sharp edge of the bone. Which is a pretty simple procedure with pretty simple recovery. So if we have to, we can talk about that. But let's get you back in about 2.5 months.
Okay.
If we can get you back in about every 2.5 months or 3 months, then we should be able to keep you pretty comfortable with that and not have to talk about the surgery.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So,
Thank you for doing my. That really.
yeah, I think that's probably, that little corn is probably the worst part of it, or the worst of all of this that got you in. Now, as a diabetic, you don't want to let that corn get too thick either, or that can form an open sore. So we'll get you back on the schedule for about 2.5 months, okay? This is a skeleton of a right foot, and on his left foot it was under this area. And so if we look at the bottom of that bone, you can see it's not completely smooth. There's little points, little pressure, or little pointy areas of the bone, and that he's walking on is right here. So when you get the skin pushing up against the bone there with every step that he takes, in a healthy person with good circulation, that skin will thicken, and that's what formed the corn.